Hello guys, I'm Rasmus and you're watching Slikhaar TV. I'm here with Arno, my video guy, doing all the editing. And today he got me a challenge.
Yes.
He dared me to cut his hair. And actually after 10 years of doing hair cutting and styling videos, I thought I might be up for the job. So I'm here alone, Emil behind the camera, nobody to assist me. So I'm taking the scissors into my own hands today. So stay with me. And I'm gonna use some side kicks. I'm gonna blow dry the sides because I want the maximal volume to show before I'm gonna cut the sides. It's gonna be great. And I think we're done here, but first of course we need to make the most important part of the haircut. It's the hairstyling. Now I'm going to use the side kick. I'm using the side kick to gain the volume and have a massive hold all day long. So this is the original side kick. I'm going in with 15 pumps and then a blow dry it into position. And then we're applying some of the cool designs. Which one do you like the most?
Just do me.
I think that's a good one. Alright Arno, how do you like it?
I really like it. It's amazing. Thank you so much.
Yeah, and thank you for trusting me.
Yeah.
So guys, that's it for now. But if you like to win a t-shirt on 2 by Vilain products, then write in the comment section down below.
Yes.
Give the video a like.
Comment
and subscribe. Right. So see you guys next time.